would have happened if Jonah would have just listened to God from the very beginning? It may have left us with much less of fairy tale-like story, but it certainly would have saved Jonah and others a great amount of stress. He would not have had to endure the great storm at sea, the wrath of the crew on the ship, the distress of being thrown over the boat, and the experience of being held captive in the belly of the whale for those 3 days. All this could have been avoided if he would have just listened to God from the very beginning. With that said, it's also interesting and insightful to look at the story from another perspective. The truth is that Jonah did endure all of these difficulties. And though we may be tempted to judge him for that and shake our finger at him, we may want to be careful. Why? Because it's entirely possible that God actually allowed him, by an act of his divine permissive will, to go through these struggles for a reason. It's entirely possible and perhaps probable that it was part of the wisdom of God that Jonah, at first, resisted his will. Why would God do this? Why for our sake, and that example for us? It seems clear that one of the main lessons from Jonah's life was that God is relentless in his actions become prophetic and teach us a great lesson. God does not give up on us. He does not simply throw us away the moment we turn from Him. Instead, our denial of Him only makes His resolve to pursue us all the greater. He takes our brokenness, our lack of resolve, our failings, our weaknesses, and uses them for His glory and His perfect life. Dearly beloved, today, on whether you are discouraged in life and feel like you have failed in following the will of God for your life, if so, then the message of Jonah is clear. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. God has not given up on His plan for you, and He has not lost hope. In the end, you may discover that those parts of your life that seem to be the greatest burden and obstacle for you will be turned upside down by God's grace and become the very source of the manifestation of His glory. We ask the Lord to never give up on us, to never lose hope, to give us the grace to change, to listen, and to respond. We ask Him to use our weakness and brokenness to let His strength and grace shine through the situation that I wish you, my brothers and sisters, all the days of your lives. And His grace be